Is there a way to change the input on my TV without a remote?
Hey, everyone! In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue: changing the input on your TV without a remote. Whether your remote is lost, broken, or out of battery, don't worry. There are ways to get around this predicament. Let's dive in.
Using the TV's physical buttons.
Many TVs, especially older models, have physical buttons on the side, back, or under the front panel. Look around your TV to find them. 1. Turn on your TV, and if it isn't already, wait for it to fully start. 2. Locate the physical buttons. These will likely include power, volume, channel, menu, and an input or source button. 3. Press the input or source button. This will typically cycle through the different inputs available on your TV. Please note, the steps may vary depending on the TV model and manufacturer.
Using the TV's on-screen menu.
If your TV doesn't have a dedicated input or source button, you can use the on-screen menu to change the input. 1. Turn on your TV and wait for it to fully start. 2. Press the menu button on your TV. This will bring up the on-screen menu. 3. Use the volume or channel buttons to navigate the menu. Look for settings related to input or source. 4. Once you find it, select it using one of the buttons, often the volume or channel up button. Note, this method can be a little tricky and time-consuming, especially on newer TVs with more complex menus.
Using universal or smart device remotes.
If your TV's physical buttons are not available or too complicated to use, you can consider using a universal remote or a smart device as a remote. Universal remotes are designed to control a wide range of devices. To use 1. Purchase a universal remote that is compatible with your TV. 2. Follow the instructions included with the remote to program it for your specific TV model. Smart devices. Many modern smart TVs allow control via smartphones or tablets through specific apps. 1. Download your TV manufacturer's official remote control app on your smart device. Some popular ones are Samsung's SmartThings, LG's Think, or Roku's official app. 2. Pair your smart device with your TV following the app's instructions. Remember, always ensure your smart device and smart TV are on the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. That's it. As you can see, even if you find yourself without a remote, there are still several ways to change the input on your TV. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this video has been of great help. Be sure to comment if you have any other questions.